You all want to drink up a magic potion and lose 20 plus pounds. 90% of the clients I work with have the same thoughts about it. They are all making jokes about it, but if it existed, I know they would have. 1. Drink lots of water. Water is the free source of life. I don't know if you caught this, but 75% of all Americans suffer from dehydration. The lack of water intake in your system causes colon blockage. The colon needs water to keep that waste wet and flowing. You should drink more than 2 liters of water every day. Some health experts recommend 3 liters per day. It will make the toxic waste move out quickly. 2. A prune juice cleanse. The amount of fiber in this juice makes it perfect for clearing the blockage. How much you consume of this drink depends on how blocked your colon is. 8 ounces before breakfast and another dose of 8 ounces after dinner is a great start. When you notice frequent bowel movements, you should stop drinking prune juice to prevent your organism from becoming dependent on it. 3. Fiber-based foods. I'm talking about avocados, coconut, berries, figs, Brussels sprouts, and okra. Women between the age of 19 and 50 should consume more than 25 grams every day. Men in that age range need 28 grams. Women after 50 need approximately 21 grams of fiber, while men at the same age need 30. 4. Regular intake of lemon juice. Lemons are high in vitamin C. It fulfills your body with antioxidant properties, and it's a great regulator for the overall health of your colon. Lemons will boost the metabolic rate, which means increasing the efficiency of removing toxic waste from your body. 5. Probiotics. The healthy bacteria will fix the problem with your colon. They are the regulators of the toxic bacteria that cause the blockage in your colon. Your body contains enough probiotics, but the intake of certain medications could kill them off. To restore the level of probiotics in your body, you need to enrich your diet with yogurt, kefir, dark chocolate, kombucha tea, pickles, sauerkraut, flaxseed. Use flaxseed early in the morning. They are great with yogurt, cereal, and oatmeal. The fatty acids in the flaxseed are perfect for loosening up your colon. They contain more fiber than the other grains and send the final eviction notice to the sludge before expelling it. 100 grams of flaxseed contain 27 grams of fiber. Your daily dose of fiber is fulfilled with your breakfast. 6. Apple cider vinegar cleanse. It's one of those benefits ACV offers to your body. The ACV contains a large number of enzymes that support probiotic growth. Its acidic nature will battle through the hardened toxic colon blockage. Consider doing this: mix 8 ounces of warm water with 2 tablespoons of ACV and 2 tablespoons of raw organic honey, stir and drink. Repeat this process every morning until you regulate your bowel movements. Ginger tea. Try this ginger recipe to cleanse the colon. 2 tablespoons of freshly grated ginger. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. 5 cups of spring water. Bring the water, turmeric, and ginger to a boil. Reduce the heat to simmer and let it sit for 10 minutes. Remove the pot from the heat and add the organic honey to taste. The ginger will warm your body up. Warming the body means boosting your metabolism and removing sluggish digestion. It will regulate bowel movements, as well. If you are pregnant or on some medications at the moment, consult with a doctor before trying any of these natural remedies.